Today we are going to study computer of grade 3rd. Chapter number 2, components of computer. In this previous video we have learned about the input devices such as keyboard, mouse and the different keys on the keyboard. Now today we are going to study the output devices. A device on which the result is produced is called an output device. The most common output device is monitor. This is monitor. As you can type any word you can see on the computer, or any kind of picture you can see on the monitor. So monitor is the output device. Next is printer. Printer is another output device. It prints the result on paper to get a hard copy. Whatever you see on the monitor screen, if you want this on a paper, that printer prints on a paper. This is printer, and there are various types of printer are available in the market. Next is storage devices. The device on which a computer program, data and instruction are used or called storage devices. Like you all have the brain and or memory. In that you can store a kind of information. You can able to remember things, such for remembering the data, program and instruction. In computer use the devices. That devices are called storage devices. Some of storage devices are flash drive, hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM. Now see, what is flash drive? It is a small device used for storing information. It is connected to USB port of the computer. It is used to transfer data from one computer to another. And this is the flash drive. Flash drive is also called a pen drive. Many of you have already seen the pen drive. It is used to transfer data from one computer to another. So using that pen drive you can simply copy the data from one computer and you go to the another computer and paste that data into that computer. Next is hard disk. Hard disk store huge amount of data. That means it can store large amount of data. It can store much more. It located inside the CPU box. The data from the hard disk are remain until you erase it, and this is hard disk. So it stores the data permanently until you delete that files. Next are CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. These are round discs with shiny surface. They are used to store information. DVD-ROM hold more data than the CD-ROM. See, both looks same. Both looks same, but only they both are used to store information, but only the difference is that DVD hold more information or more data than the CD. And here we will stop here, and that's it for today. Thank you.